Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'll be doing a Dutch pour, a split Dutch pour on a hexagon shaped canvas. All the colors will be listed in the description below. And right now I'm putting on my flood coat. I mix my paints, 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then I thin with water. First color I'm putting on is Dioxazine purple. I'm going to go ahead and blow that out. And the other color I'm going to use is the lavender color. The lavender was created with Dioxazine purple and white, mostly white and a little purple. Then I'm going to blow that out. Next color is Iridescent blue black. Followed by a rose. Reflex rose. And that was just a leftover paint, a little bit of a garnet color. And then a white. A gold, which is also a leftover color. Then I'm going to add some color around Dioxazine purple and the lavender and blow it over my colors. Once I blow it over the colors, I'll blow it out. And from there, I'll just blow out and work on my composition. I really like the colors on the bottom. Just lacking a little colors on the top, so I'll add a little bit more colors on the top as I blow out. Sometimes you gotta find the color, because as you see, there's purple underneath in different areas. So I'll let you watch the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.